Hi, I'm Michelle. Today we're going to be discussing methods you can use to form your LLC in Vermont. We're going to be covering the steps involved in starting your LLC, the forms you're going to need, the naming requirements, and the 5 main steps needed to actually register your LLC. I'll also be explaining the importance of having a registered agent and a very key term known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, if these terms are not familiar to you, then I highly recommend you watch this video very closely. Tourism and manufacturing businesses are the most common industries in Vermont. Now, the tourism business in Vermont is providing to jobs of over 26,000 people who have catered over $13 billion. Now, the people who came to the state are the ones who are providing this. Now, this sector's total contribution to the GDP is around 15%. And the main reason behind this is the skiing business. Many manufacturing plants in Vermont are making the latest designs and strong furniture and hockey sticks as well. Along with that, the paper industry is also emerging part of this industry of Vermont. You can start your LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is you can do it yourself, in which case you can do it online or send it off via mail. Number 2 is you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. Now, we recommend ZenBusiness as one of the best and the most affordable services for this purpose. Number 3 is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. Coming to a very common question, but a very important one. What's an LLC? An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and gives you personal asset protection. So when you're starting off your LLC in Vermont, you mainly have to file your certificate of formation with the state and pay the filing fee of $125. Now let's talk a little bit about Zen Business. What are they offering? What are their plans? Now they have 3 plans: a starter plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. It's perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. The starter plan has all the essential services required to form your LLC. It's a suitable plan for you if you want something very budget friendly. The starter plan is available at $0, although you do have to pay the mandatory state filing fees. It's very cost effective and offers you all the essential services like a registered agent and your very own operating agreement draft. The Pro plan offers some additional services along with the ones being mentioned in the starter plan. In the Pro plan, you're going to get filing which is done faster. So what are you getting in the Pro plan? You're getting advertising consultant, you're getting annual compliance, and expedited filing. Now, the last plan, which is the premium plan, is by far the costliest one being offered by Zen Business. The premium plan offers almost all the services related to the formation of an LLC, in addition to the services which were mentioned in the first 2 plans, which was your starter plan and your pro plan. It offers you faster filing, business website, domain, and your very own email address. In this video, we're going to discuss option number 1 and number 2. We're going to place emphasis on why you need a professional service to do it for you, because you have to make sure you're doing your LLC work correctly. This is one of those things where you can't afford missing key information or have any misunderstandings. Zen Business is a very competent professional service which you can get, because forming your LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation, but it's also deciding on a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. Now, all of these can be done super easily with Zen Business. I'll be leaving the links in the description below. You can easily go there and check them out. But for now, we're going to discuss in detail the 5 important steps that you must cover when you're forming your LLC in Vermont. The first step to starting off your LLC is basically choosing your business name. So before you name your business, you really should know that the name should be easy to remember, should be available in the state, and follows the LLC naming guidelines. You can find the naming guidelines at lcbuddy.com. The 4 key things that you need to be aware of when you name your LLC is that number 1, your business name should be available and no other existing business in Vermont can share that name. Number 2 is a limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix in the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business which could be confusing or misleading. So terms like Treasury, State Department, FBI, CIA, they should not be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after the additional requirements by the state government are fulfilled. Now, suppose you don't want to file your LLC right now, but you want to hold on to the name you have decided. Then you can reserve your LLC name for 120 days. Now, how do you keep the name? All you have to do is file a name reservation application and pay $20 to reserve your name with the Secretary of State. The second and highly vital step to forming your LLC is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to act and work on your LLC's behalf. They're going to be receiving all the important paperwork and all the official government correspondence within Vermont. This is why you need a competent registered agent for your LLC. You also need to make sure that your registered agent is a resident of Vermont or at least has a physical street address over there. The business address is used as the LLC's principal address in Vermont. Now, most LLC formation companies do also provide registered agent services. ZenBusiness provides registered agent services as an add-on to your formation package, but also you can purchase it as a standalone service. A key thing to note when you're getting a registered agent is the importance of having one and having a legit one, because in case of any lawsuit or if you happen to get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, most people believe that they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they cannot go after your personal assets. When you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC. Now, this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing that they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork? The third and another important step in forming your LLC is to file a certificate of formation. The Vermont Articles of Organization is a legal document needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It's going to cost you $125 to file your certificate of formation in Vermont. The certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, a registered agent's name, employee details, the structure of your company. Are you member managed or are you manager managed? So before you're going to start hiring employees in Vermont, you should really know about the rules and regulations there to avoid any future issues. We personally suggest using Zen Business to file your certificate of formation because they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any step. If you happen to get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support service where you can go ask your questions and they will respond to you. The fourth step is filing your operating agreement. The operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and operating procedures of your LLC. This document is very vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business resolutions, and a whole lot more. This helps you reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing the Vermont LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really require you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement, but it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your business operation. It's recommended that it should be done by using a professional service like Zen Business, since they know exactly what to do and you won't have to worry about missing any detail. They provide this service as an add-on to your formation package for a very nominal fee. The EIN is also known as the Employer Identification Number. It's a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it easy to identify the type of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active business out there. Now, you need an EIN when your LLC is going to start hiring employees. How do you get an EIN? All you have to do is fill up a form, which you can do online or by mail, and submit it to the IRS. You can also get an EIN through Zen Business, and they can help you with the whole process as well. I'll be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, check them out, and find which of the options fit your requirements. But for now, I'm going to show you how you can file the forms using Zen Business. Now, this is the main page for Zen Business. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now, they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. Zen Business Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place.
Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual worry-free compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything, and then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with Zen Business.
Now that you've created your Vermont LLC, there's still a few things you're going to need. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the Vermont business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance covering your employees. You need to file the Vermont annual report every year. I really hope this detailed video helped you out on how to start off your LLC in Vermont, and I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business there. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the little notification button. Thank you for watching.